PowerTarget Power Trigger Trade.
Alright, I got a very powerful part 2 video for our DIS trade, the May 17 115 calls and the 120 calls, May 17 120 calls. And basically, if we scroll down my stream over here, we had taken greater than 100% gains. I'm going to talk more about the gains, but we took out really a great chunk of gains right on April the 12th. And I'm going to scroll down. Here it is. So on April the 12th, I posted the results because we had caught the whole breakout in DIS, but I also told my members that we need to hold for more gains. The targets were going to be 135 to 140. Well, I'm going to be talking about how we held our runners, and again, greater than 150% gains in total between taking the profits on the first part at 50%, and on the other portion of the options, we locked in a greater than 150% depending on the 115 calls, or if someone went with a 200 greater than 200%, and I'm going to demonstrate that and explain that in this video, so stay tuned. We're going to go into the charts. By the way, how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, you study this pinned tweet video right over here. So let's go into Power Group Trades, and let me explain you more details, and we're going to take a look at DIS and all the facts. A great video for you to study and grow with.
All right, people. So we're going to go. We're inside of Power Group Trades, and we're going to talk about where this powerful plan came from. And basically, you can see what I said here. April the 9th. This is a great longer term plan that could be some strong gains. This is a long time in the making and has no negative. Basically, what I was explaining is this stock is set up for a good breakout. It could be a good hold, and well, here we are, April the 24th. Let's take a look at April the 9th, though. Let's go into these charts together, people. Okay, and you can see that everything I do is very detailed. So here I said DIS is set up to test 128 to 132. You understand? So already, now look where, by the way, look over here. This is based on the 9th, right? Disney was at 116.86, okay? So again, I have what's called big picture skills, visionary skills, okay? So I identified the stock as a strong breakout potential with targets, and we selected the appropriate options. Okay. Now, I want you to pay attention to something. On April the 9th, these options, the 120s were $227, and the 115s were $478. So pay attention right over here. See these arrows where it's all pointing? The top arrow here is the May 17 119 the 120 calls, and the May 17 115 calls right over here on the arrow below. Okay, $478. Of course, confirmation we had to pay a bit more, right? So here, as I said, this needs to break above 117.50 to confirm. Okay, so that's what Disney did. Let me close this up here. We're not going to go to all the facts because then the video, because I already made one video already on this, but this is about what I said after we had those great gains, right? So I'm going to press pause over here. All right, so here it is on April the 10th, this confirming with the May 17 115 calls at $530. Okay, again, my average was 480, but doesn't matter. For confirmation purposes, it's 530. And the May 17 120 calls at $265. So 2.65 means $265. Okay, so now we're going to go jump by the first time we took the profits. We're going to go up to April the 12th right now. So here, April the 12th, okay, a pre-market. I said, this is breaking out already pre-market. At the time when I was looking at it, it was in the morning. It was already at 120, okay? And we're going to go to the charts. I want to explain you a few more things. And so let me, now, let's look at right here. This paying big, boom. My rules will, okay, but now what, okay. Also what I said, and this can go higher. Of course, I want to show you some more on my update. This is not the full updates here. So I was talking about the kind of gains we can make in DIS, and here I go. I just sold about 50% of my this May 17 120 calls at $1,500 for a large 150% gains. Boom. Well, it wasn't exactly 150% gains, okay? At the end, when I sold everything, it was greater than 150% gains. I'm going to show you that, right? So I want to show you what I tell people. Yeah, today is the sun. Okay, so I'm not going to get into that. Okay. This is just a hold. I have no stops as there is no need. So basically what I was telling people is that this stock can get to 135 easy. We will try for that. So basically, what we were doing is holding runners, and I told people to hold the So let's see, we're going to see some other things I said here. Give me a second here. So here we're going to look at April 15th. This trending bullish support is at 128, then 125. So this tells you the power the stock is just building. So basically, you know, DIS on April the 15th was just basing. Let's go. We're going to go into the charts. I want to show you something, and then of course this plan, the runners. And by the way, the runners were at 15.60. They went to 17.8 and 17.90. I sold 50% at 15. But again, I didn't sell anything right there yet. So we're gonna get to that part here. But I want to show you that from April the 12th, I talked about the 115. I talked about the 135 targets, right? So not only did we cash out. So let's go to the charts. So let me explain more in the charts. This is more of a charts explanation too. All right, people. So I wanna talk about this. So this is the day we made the plan, okay, which is April the 9th. On this day, it confirmed, as you can see, we had a high 118. So we weren't making money this day. We weren't making money this day. I've explained this many times. But we caught the huge move because we were in these May 17 options. We were looking for the big picture. The stock was, by the way, I talked about I defended this plan all through this. But that you'll see in my other video. I'm going to link that video to this video, okay? The other Disney plan. Well, the same Disney plan. So that's the move we got, right? So as you can see, on April 15th, the stock did pull back, right? And you can see that the low was 129.79, right? But then it went back up, right? Then we had a pull down, okay, which is on the 16th, okay? So we're going to go take a look at if I said anything on the 16th. But then as you can see, we popped back up, and we've had some pause days, but it was pretty smooth. I did exit my position here, and we're going to get to that point. So let me get back to the video. Let me get back to the chart. So we're going to go take a look at what I said on the 16th. Okay. So here where I am, April the 16th. This support is 129, then 127. Above this, and that is bullish. So basically, I'm telling people that we have to continue holding. We need to see how we hold above those metrics. Okay. So let's go back to the charts. So again, as you can see, the low was 129. So you see we went nowhere near any of the supports, right? And therefore, we held, of course, right? So now we're going to go take a look at, I think what day was, I think it was, I'm not sure what day it was. I think it was let's see if it was the 18th where I took some additional 25% profits off my runners. We're going to take a look here. So here I am, April 17th, talking about the runners. This is now at 132.32, and the May 17 115 calls are at $1,785. Again, talk about winner, talk about skill. Yeah, so basically, you know, we're keeping winning. This is still on the runners, right? Let me see where I took the 25 and then another 25%. So I average greater than 150%. I'll explain this. All right, so what I'm going to show you is the April 23rd, where I finally took my all my profits in DIS. So here it is. The May 17 115 calls are now at 1935, as this is at 133.57, and the May 17 120 calls are now at 14.55. Right? As you know, people, those are the May 17 120 calls. They cost 265. So I'm reminding people of what they were. Right now, of course, they are worth at this point in time, they were worth 14.55, right? So here it is. First I had a stop, and I told you I'm with this I'm looking to take profits, but for now my stop is $1,800. Okay, so basically I got stopped out at 1,840. Okay, so here it is. I am stopped out for this. So we got stopped out at 1840, but then this went back up. So let me show you. Either way, a super win. Give me a second here, people. So you can see this day over here. This is what happened, because what happened is it was doing very well. but then they went out, they pulled it back and then it came back up again. Then we opened up a little bit weaker, and then today, which is the 24th, we're up a lot. So let me show you the options here. I'm going to go open up the option chart. We'll see how close it is so you understand my point, right? What a super winning plan, people. This is what big picture leadership's all about. So here's the 24th, right? I'm going to open up this over here, and let me put up the calls, okay? And then we gotta go up with the strikes, right? Because basically I'm gonna hit the price again. I'm gonna go up for the lower ones, up because it's so far now, right? So here it is, the 120s today, people. I want you to pay attention to this. I gotta go farther up here. I gotta go up a bit more. Okay, here's the 115s. Okay, so the 115s closed at look. I mean, I got 1840, but my plan is so powerful. Look at the targets, 135, 135.10. This day here, had I left my stops a little lower, I would have still been in it. But regardless, I was so happy to take these gains. We were so close to targets that you can see. I thought that they were going to maybe play a bit more games, and it would take and I knew it would go. I knew we had a high chance to go higher. But in the end, people, I want you to understand that I gave plans, okay, where members could have bought these 120 calls. I told them that and they closed today at $1,500 an option, okay? So your each $265 option is now worth $1,540. The plan was so powerful that you could have taken greater than 200% gains for the 120s and greater than 150% gains in the 115s. Now I did, because my average was 50% at 100 and so $1,500, and the other 50% averaged between the 1790 and 1840. Okay, so I got greater than 150% gains on the larger priced options for my May 17 150 calls. So there you have, people, a great powerful report. Now I want to show you some more information. If you want to get inside of Power Grid Trades, you want to study this pin tweet video. I've gotten a lot of great gifts. I mean, this right here, Ash sent me a great gift over here. Thanks, Sandro, for the brilliant guidance, and this wins. Bought 2 of the 120s, and she got stopped out on the rest. So she did exactly what I said. She sent me a really great gift of $482, and all she had bought was 2 options. All Ash bought was was only 2 options, but the gains she made, right? She made over $2,000 in gains, and she sent me a $482 gift. That's what she felt like sending me, based on how excited. And she's been making a lot of great gains. I want to close this up and show you that I just received. Ash is someone new in my group. She studied all my videos, like I tell people to do, right? And she got into my group, took action, did all the right things, and she's killed it. Already she has sent me $1,608 in gifts. Okay, Dexter, of course, is this guy. He's been a long time member. He killed it. He killed it in some different metrics. As he actually went in with some May 130 calls, because on top of the 115s, because he had got stopped out. And basically, this idea, though, when I said to him he can do that, right? And he got into these and held more of these, right? So he did really great. He sent me 323.50. He sent me many gifts. Okay, we're talking about thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of gift stacks. So he's a long-term member. Find out why people send me gifts, people. Study this pin tweet video, okay? And we're going to go to PowerTarget Trade. You want to go to subscribe to this YouTube channel. At the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. All right, welcome to PowerTarget. You're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. So you click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Study this created playlist. Okay. Now this plan right here. That's the one that'll take it from the December to the 150 point, where I go over more of the management of it and everything, right? So you should take a look at this video. I'm going to put this video. You're going to see it at the end of the video. You're going to be able to just click on it, but if you just go to PowerTarget, you can look for it on PowerTarget Trades. But I will link the video in this video for you to see. Again, people, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't have one, if you don't have account, get one. Come here, do it manually. If you have one already, you're going to be able to. It's going to be an easy way to do it. Just simply click on my picture. You're going to see it in a circle format, and I'll see you inside of Power Group Trades. Power Target Trades. Power Trigger Trade.